Every day, millions of people eat bread, but few people know the journey it takes to reach our tables. From tiny grains of wheat to the warm loaf fresh from the oven. This is the amazing story of how bread is made. Wheat farming. It all begins in wide, open fields. Farmers plant wheat seeds in carefully prepared soil. Sunlight, rain, and time help the plants grow tall and golden. When the wheat is ready, giant harvesters sweep across the fields, cutting and collecting every stalk in a single powerful motion. Each grain of wheat holds the future of bread. Cleaning and milling. The harvested grains are sent to a mill. Here, they are cleaned, sorted, and checked for quality. The grains pass through powerful grinding machines, crushing them into soft white flour. Layers of the grain are separated, the bran, the germ, and the endosperm, until the flour becomes fine and silky. This flour is the foundation of bread. Mixing the dough. Inside the bakery, flour is poured into huge mixers. Water is added. Salt is added. Yeast is added, a living microorganism that makes dough rise. As the mixer turns, the ingredients come together to form dough. Stretchy, smooth, and alive with motion. Kneading and rising. The dough is kneaded to develop strength, like gentle exercise for gluten. Then it is left to rest in warm rooms. Slowly, the yeast begins to work, creating tiny bubbles that make the dough grow bigger and softer. This process is called fermentation, and it fills the dough with flavor. Shaping and baking. The dough is divided, shaped, and placed into pans. It rises once more. Then it enters giant ovens, where heat transforms it completely. The crust turns golden. The inside becomes fluffy and light. When the bread leaves the oven, the smell fills the bakery. A warm invitation to everyone nearby. From field to flour, from dough to loaf. Every piece of bread carries the work of farmers, millers, and bakers. So next time you slice bread, remember, you're tasting a journey that began as a single grain of wheat. This is how bread is made.